lives are all that really belong to us. So it is how we use our lives that determines the kind of men we are. This be the mind of a tortured genius. Rhymes are broken, torn to pieces. Fly to Portland or to Cleveland, north of Egypt, north of Sweden, or to Phoenix. Find a Mormon vegan, feed him pork and beans. Hope you eat it with some cheese and a corn tortilla. Yeah, all day I dream about sex and Dorset leaders. Fuck the world with Morgan Freeman's 4 for 3 enormous penis. Why y'all sleeping on me, homies? At least the bed is orthopedic. Roll the weed up and up to Mars. That's why I orbit Venus. Exploring foreign regions, gorgeous bitches, gorgeous beaches. From Miami or Ibiza, dreaming about my Mona Lisa being kept in old museums, on display for those to see it. Type of art where rope is needed. These artists had no idea about these paid dues to paint through these pictures. We paint you, it's why we sip Grey Goose. It's why we know preludes. The things that do change you, the haters that hate you, I'm keeping they face screwed like eating a grapefruit. Yo bitch, swallow my whole dick, that's just that brain food. I hit whatever gets thrown at me, that's just that Babe Ruth. I'm going to work, that's Beirut. Holding the fort before day 2, that's day 1. It's easy, it's easy. The same dude, yeah. Running the game so long now I got dirty feet, yeah. Funny I came along and had a murder spree, yeah. Now your favorite rapper needs a surgery. This the main attraction, so I'm asking, lift the curtains please. We must admit our lives are all that really belong to us. So it is how we use our lives that determines the kind of men we are.